Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a look at the OnePlus 6G. So you might have already come to know what are we going to make after seeing the title of my video. So first let's have a look at the box and then we'll have a look at the content itself. So as you guys can see, it is saying OnePlus community, noun and the meaning of it, which they have made it on their own. Here as you can see the 6 branding, OnePlus logo. On the side you can see unlock the speed, and as you can see over here there is some kind of symbol which you will come to know as we open the box. Over the back it says the specifications. So as you guys can see, mirror black, 128 GB, which has 4 GB of RAM. I think right now I'll actually have a look and tell you. So now let's remove the sleeve, and this retails for around 41,999, so that's approximately 42,000. So I'll have the latest link in the description down below, so do check it and let me know if you're interested in buying. Okay, so as you guys can see, I already unboxed it so that I can set it up and it becomes much easier when I record it. So here is the smartphone. So here it is, as it says fingerprint, the mark which I was talking about before. So it has an inbuilt fingerprint reader in the screen. So here it's written to maximize the performance of our in-display fingerprint sensor. We recommend using screen protector from OnePlus and our official partners. So let's keep this aside for the time being and have a look at it, what else comes in the box. So here is it. So it's good that they're still supplying the case with the smartphone. So over here is a SIM ejecting tool. Here you get the OnePlus settings, unlock the speed, and it shows how it works actually. There's a SIM tray and all, and what it is, and what else you get it over here, warning and all other kinds of. It's a sticker, I think so. Yes, it's a sticker which you can stick it anywhere you want. Here you get the manual, and that's it. Let's keep all this aside. And here you get a special note from the OnePlus CEO. So it's a really nice packaging, 5-year-old and a million stories told. So it is like a note by the CEO of OnePlus. It's nice. So here you get the dashboard charging, fast charging, and the OnePlus red iconic charger with Type-C cable. As you guys may be knowing or no, I don't know, but they have removed the headphone jack over here. So they have included the dongle Type-C to my 3.0mm headphone jack. So welcome to the dongle life, finally from the OnePlus side. So let's keep all this aside and have a look at the main product itself. So as it is booting it up, let's go through some of its features. So it has got a 6.41 inch LCD Super AMOLED display with an 1080 by 2340 pixel with a 19.5 by 9 ratio, and it comes with Gorilla Glass front and back. It comes with Android 9, that's Android Pie, which we'll have a look at it in a second. And It works on Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. It comes in two variants and it doesn't have any SD card slots, and we'll also have a look at the SIM card slot itself. So it has got two variants, the 256GB with 8GB RAM and 128GB with 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM, which are two different models. So which I'll also show you the RAM which we have it right now. So this is the 128GB variant, and this comes with two camera dual setup. Is of 16 megapixel, other is of 20 megapixel. It has got a dual LED flash and it records video at 60, 30, 60 and 240 frames per second, and it has got a single selfie camera of 16 megapixel of 2.0 aperture. It has got inbuilt fingerprint reader, which I have a look at in a second, and it has got a non-dribble lithium-ion battery of 3700 mAh battery. It comes in three colors, that's the thunder purple, mirror black, which I have it in my hands right now, and the third one is the midnight black, and it comes for around 42,000, which I've already told you guys. So now let's first have a look at the body. As you guys can see, it has got an edge-to-edge display. Just over here there is a droplet mark where the camera is there, and it's really nice, and a thin bezel over the ear chin it has got, and it's working on Android, stock Android, and never settle which their code it is. So now let's have a look at the body. So over here the down, it has got the speaker grills, charging port. On the side it has got the on and off switch, which is really very tactile. This is the silent key. If you guys can see, it has got some kind of texture going on over here. So on the top you have the secondary mic. On the side you have the SIM tray and the volume rocker. So let's have a look at the SIM tray itself first. So it has got a dual SIM tray, which is nice. So now vibrate and ring up. So now let's have a look at the OnePlus 6. Really a nice setting. I really like it. It's working on its TouchWiz, that's the Oxygen OS version, Android version 9. So now let's have a look at the other thing. So as you guys can see over here, it has got 128GB memory with 8GB ROM. Now let's set up the security. That's the fingerprint reader. So as you guys can see over here, it got a mark over here which highlights where you have to place your finger. Next, so fingerprint is added right now. So let's have a look at it. So as you guys can see, a little mark comes over where you know where you have to place the fingerprint. So that's really nice. It hardly takes a second to unlock it, and it's pretty fast. It also has a face recognition. So now let's have a look at the camera. So first let's have a take a picture of this plant. That's really very nice. Really vibrant colors. And let's see what all features it packs in. So here is the video mode, photo mode, portrait mode, the depth of field that you get over here. As you guys can see, it is focusing on the box, and the background where the plant is, it's been blurred. You'll also get the night vision where it will be dark, it will get more light and brighter. Over here are the features and the settings. So let's turn around. Hi guys. So that's all guys for the unboxing of the OnePlus 6G and the overview of it. So let me know how you feel about this smartphone in the comment section below. So this is Pash Fagnia signing off, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Peace.